Hello guys, let's solve this problem, or let me teach you how to solve this problem. Okay, now this is just fundamental principle of logarithm. Okay, if we have log 16 base x equals to 2, we have to find the value of x. All we have to do now, let me take you back to the fundamental principle. So if we have log, let's say this is log b base a equals to c. For us to solve this one, this simply becomes a raised to the power c equals to b. That is just the rule. Okay? It's a fundamental rule that you should know. So if we apply that to this, c is 16, right? I mean, in this case, from this, b is this one, a is this, and c is 2. Okay? So hence, this becomes x raised to the power 2 equals to 16. Okay, this becomes x equals to plus or minus root 16. So my x becomes what? Plus or minus 4. But in logarithm, this negative becomes invalid. So therefore, your x becomes 4. Easy. Okay. Now, let me give you one more for you to solve. So let's say if you have log, this is y, and let's say this is 8. Okay, 32 equals to 2. Okay. Yes. So let's see what will be the answer for y. Okay. See you guys in my next video. Please be sure to share this, like, and comment.